Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2016 Ford Transit Connect. This vehicle is featured in white metallic paint with 2 rear sliding doors, as well as dual opening rear hatch. We also have a backup camera and a cruise control. Moving on to the interior now of the Ford Transit. On our door panel we can see our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, as well as below we have our speaker and storage. Left of the steering wheel we have a lighting controls, and then our gauge cluster with screen, multifunction leather wrapped wheel, our little infotainment screen, CD player, radio controls and number pad. Below that is our climate controls, gear selection stalk, and below we have a 12-volt charging port and cup holders, as well as a manual park brake, padded leather center console lid. And the front seats are featured in black fabric. It's a bit of a tech pattern in the lower portion. Above, our overhead I should say, we have our reading lights. Moving back onto the exterior now, we can see our full hubcaps. We'll open up the back now and show you some of the rear inside. We have a nice little cage here. Plenty of storage room in the back. Lining at the bottom. Get around to the back of the vehicle. We can see Transit Connect badging, Ford badging, little license plate and the backup camera right there. Again, we open this up. It's dual opening. See our other little lever just there. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2016 Ford Transit Connect. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.